Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to disable restricted mode on YouTube on your iPhone. For example, if you are using restricted mode on your YouTube and if you want to turn it off now so that all its settings may be restored again so that you can simply enjoy the YouTube again as earlier. So if you want to turn on or disable restrict mode, then you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you have installed one latest version of the YouTube app. For this, you have to simply open the App Store and you have to simply look for the YouTube app is updated or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the YouTube app. And after updating the YouTube app, you have to simply open the YouTube app, and here you have to simply make sure that you have turned on that profile section, and here you can simply find that settings related to all settings of the YouTube. So here you can simply go to general, and after that you will find the restricted mode here. So here you can simply uh, disable the restricted mode here. So what is saying that this helps to hide potentially mature videos, which means if you turn this on, then it will not show you any mature or 18 plus videos. So no filter is 100% accurate, which means sometimes it may show you video related to that, but you can simply check for their adult version. So you have to make sure about that. The setting applies only to this app on this device, so you have to make sure that it will work only on this app and in your device. So hope you have liked this. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.